The newsday continues here on One News Now. I'm Riza Diaz. Let's begin the newscast with the breaking news. The Health Department reports over 7,000 new COVID-19 infections for the third consecutive day. That brings the country's case tally to more than 663,000, some 73,000 of which are still considered active. The virus claimed the lives of 39 more patients in the past 24 hours, pushing the nationwide death toll to more than 12,900. Now, some 577,000 meanwhile have gotten better from the disease, with over 15,000 new recoveries reported today. Leaky border controls. This is what the OCTA Research Group blames for the entry and spread of COVID-19 variants in the country. Let's get more details. Camille Samonte is reporting to us live from Manila City. Camille, what measures are the OCTA Research Group suggesting?
Riza, the UP OCTA Research is reiterating their call for stricter international travel protocols, especially as new COVID-19 cases in Metro Manila continue to soar. The OCTA Research Group urges the government to reimpose the mandatory 14-day quarantine for international travelers. OCTA Research Fellow Professor Guido David says the current surge in new infections could have been contained if the country's borders were not leaky. But David points out if infected individuals can slip through quarantine measures, variants will still continue to spread despite a two-week travel ban. David also suggests government to prioritize Metro Manila in its COVID-19 vaccination program, as this could help slow down the virus transmission. This, as data shows NCR to be the epicenter of the pandemic. The group meanwhile admits that their earlier proposal to impose hard GCQ and soft MECQ would only confuse the public. Instead, David reminds the public to focus and follow the ordinances implemented in their areas.
Confusing ang additional terminology, and I think most people are already confused with ECQ, MECQ, GCQ, MVCQ, and kung dadagdagan pa natin. So I think siguro yung ano na lang, let's focus on, parang sabi nila, circuit breaker. Let's focus on what the ordinances are, what's allowed and what's not allowed. Yun na lang siguro is the best way to disseminate yung information sa general public.
Riza, the UP OCTA researchers also urging the public to voluntarily self-quarantine to help curb the spread of COVID-19. Riza?
Thank you, Camille. That was Camille Samonte reporting from Manila. And we'll be back with more stories after the break. Keep it here on One News. You're still watching One News Now. I'm Riza Diaz. The Bureau of Corrections is now facing criticisms for building a brick wall in the new Bilibid prison reservation. To talk more about this, the Bureau's Deputy Director, Gabriel Chaklag, is now joining us over the phone. Sir, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, Riza. Good afternoon din sa inyong mga taga-subaybay.
Sir, unang-una po, can you explain to us the reason behind this controversial wall? Is it really for safety measures?
Ay, salamat, Riza, no? Ito po ay unang-una, hindi naman ito brick wall. So, we just closed the road from NH3 via maximum security compound. Ito po kasing daan na ito ay dadaan sa wall mismo beside ng maximum security compound. At matagal na po itong plano na isara. More than a year na po yung sinasabi natin. Kaya lamang po, pinagbigyan po natin ang ating mga kababayan sa loob ng ilang buwan at ilang taon para para masanay na rin silang gamitin yung napakaganda at napakalaking Biason Road sa kabila. Alam mo, Risa, yung kanilang difference po doon sa shortcut na ito na aming pinasara ay 1.5 kilometer distance lang ang madadagdag sa travel time nila. So, marami po tayong pag-abot sa kanila at marami pong nakakaalam din na yun po ay talaga naman pong at one point ay kailangan ng maisara. Kasi nga po, shortcut lamang yan, temporary na daan na ginagamit for more than 15 years already. So, siguro naman ay sapat na yun para masanay po yung tao dahil nabuksan na po yung Biason Road na napakaganda.
Sir Gabriel, meron po kaming mga natatanggap na reports na wala pong naging coordination with the local officials. Ano po ang inyong pahayag tungkol dito?
Alam mo, marami na po tayong sinasabi na kailangan na pong maisara yan. Sabi ko nga po, 1 taon na namin sinasabi na kailangan na pong maisara at nagbigay po tayo ng kaukulang notice sa mga engineers ng LGU at sa mga engineers ng DPWH na may project doon sa loob. Gumagawa po sila ng kalsada. Sinabihan po natin sila na ito po ay kailangan na talagang maisara dahil pinagbigyan po yung residents ng NHA for 15 years na gamitin habang wala pa yung malaking kalsada na ginagawang Biason Road. Ngayon po, na nag-open last year yung Biason Road, ay kailangan na po nating isara yung kalsada na dumadaan sa maximum security compound. At gusto ko lamang pong sabihin, tayo po dito ay sama-sama po tayong ipaabot sa ating mga kababayan na naintindihan natin yung kanilang kalagayan doon at katayuan. Kaya lang, kailangan talaga na at one point ay matuto tayo at ipatupad ang disiplina at kaayusan sa loob ng New Bilibid prisons.
Director, nakapag-usap na po ba kayo with Congressman Rufy Biazon?
O tama po yun at naipaliwanag po natin sa butihing congressman at naintindihan naman po niya ang ating situation. At alam ko po na deep in his heart ay talaga pong umaayon din siya sa Bucor na kailangan i-secure natin yung ating pambansang bilangguan. Kaya lamang po, siyempre ang iniisip din niya ay yung constituents din doon sa kabila. Kaya nga po itong pagkakataon na ito ay napakagandang opportunity para mabigyan talaga ng permanent solution at mabigyan sila ng access, na tamang access papunta sa bayan. At marami naman pong marami pong suggestion kung yun po yung pinag-uusapan. Ang isa nga pong panukala ng taga doon din sa NHA ay bigyan sila ng access pass parang Solidarity Road passing through Susana Heights.
Director, ano na po ang plano ngayon dito nga po sa wall na ito? Because, again, we spoke to Congressman Biazon earlier at ang sabi po niya, ang mga naaapektuhan po ay nasa libu-libong mga residente.
Tama po yun, Risa, no? Nakikisa tayo kay Congressman Biazon at kaya nga po, iginagalang natin yung position nila. Kaya po, itinigil muna natin yung totally na pag-close at pag-erect ng wall doon sa area na yun habang nag-uusap po tayo. At yan po ay pagpakita na sila ay ginagalang natin at pinapakinggan kung anuman ang kanilang mga adhikain din at gustong iparating sa atin.
Director Chaklag, with that being said, ano po ang inyong magiging mensahe ngayon sa mga residente? Because a lot of them are going on social media at ang sinasabi po nila ay para po rin silang nakulong.
Hindi po. Sa ating mga kababayan po na nasa NH3 South Bill 3 ay unang-una po sa amin ay inyong dignidad. Ayaw po namin na habang buhay kayo ay nakikidaan kayo sa hindi naman po dapat na daan. Ayaw po namin na kayo ay basta na lang pinapara, kaya po ang itinuturo namin sa inyo ay binibigyan po namin kayo ng dignity na gumamit ng tamang daan. At yun po ay mandate ng local government and other government agencies at ang Bucor po ay sumusuporta sa inyo. Handa rin po ang Bucor na magbigay ng ibang space para kung may mga suggestion na daan na iba ay pwede po nating pagtulungan.
Maraming salamat po. That's Bucor Deputy Director Gabriel Chaklag. Meanwhile, the MRT3 is calling on the public to help in identifying a female passenger who apparently violated COVID-19 protocols. In a now viral video, the commuter is seen taking selfies without a face mask and shield, which are both required on trains. The rail management is also investigating whether transport marshals showed any neglect of duty. Just last week, a footage circulated online showing an MRT3 staff hastily cleaning the train premises. The personnel has been relieved from his post. And here are other stories we're keeping our eyes on. Lipa Archbishop Gilbert Garcera and other priests from the diocese have tested positive for COVID-19. In a circular issued Saturday, Garcera said they are undergoing medical treatment. The bishop is asking for prayers for their immediate recovery and to end the pandemic. Over in Quezon City, the Diocese of Cubao has imposed a lockdown in all its parish churches from March 22 to April 4, that's until Easter Sunday. Cubao Bishop Honestoong Tioco says, although the decision is heartbreaking, they cannot risk the safety of devotees. The Catholics Bishop Conference of the Philippines is canceling all religious processions this Holy Week. Other activities such as the blessing of palms at churches may still be observed, but strict compliance with protocols. Now, for more updates, visit News 5, the Philippine Star, and Business World Online. Visit our website, onenews.ph, for more in-depth analysis. You can also catch One News on Signal Play app. Register for a free account now at www.signalplay.com and stream One News live anytime, anywhere. Mask on, wash hands, and stay safe, Philippines. I'm Riza Diaz. We are One News.